Right, so this is a solved problem. You can use any method. Now, even if I didn't specifically tell you you can use any method, even if it tells you to solve by using quadratic formula or completing the square or any other method, you can always solve however whatever the most convenient or efficient way for you. So for most people, it's going to be the solve feature of your calculator. Okay, so if we were attempting to solve this with our calculators, what we could do is hit F2 algebra, hit solve, and then type in our equation just as it appears. So 3/2, I'm going to go ahead and use the y since it's easy enough to identify. Minus 6y is equal to 3/4 y minus 9, comma y. So identify what you want to solve for. And when you hit enter here, it tells you false. What false means is there's no real solutions. And so the solutions that exist have to lie in the imaginary realm. So we can identify those by putting a C in front of our solve. That identifies the solutions in the complex number system. So it includes both real and imaginary zeros. So when I add a C solve to this, it now gives me my solutions. So the way that it looks on your calculator, the way it looks on your calculator looks like this. Okay? One of the difficulties that a lot of students are having is how would you then interpret this or place it on the site where it says you have two solutions, okay, a lesser and a greater. Okay, so if you're looking to find this, what you first need to do is figure out what your denominator is. So your denominator is a 4. You know that. Well, both of these terms have the same denominator, so that makes it easier for this. And then it's just a matter of typing, so in both cases, the 4s. And then it's just a matter of figuring out which one is the lesser. The lesser one is always going to be the one with the minus part between the terms. And so if you take the numerator, what's left? 9 minus square root of 15i. So this would be our lesser solution because we're subtracting a value from it. And now if you just copy and paste, so whatever you got for your lesser solution, if you just copy and paste that right into your greater solution, there's only one change you need to make on this. They should be entered or typed in the exact same way. The only difference is the sign between the terms. So the sign between the terms isn't a minus, it's a plus. So if you just change this to a plus, but you keep all the terms the same. So again, a copy and paste is the easiest way to do it. You'll have the correct answer.